Wow, what a day. Chet, Rowena, this is the moment. Not only that this is your memorable day, your wedding day, but also the birthday of your mother. Happy birthday again, Cora. I've known Chet since January of 1979, the day he was born. He is Caesar's and Cora's second child. Since he is the only son, I believe he is the spoiled one as well. Chet and Joe grew up together. They are not only second cousins, they are best of buddies. They like to do things together, as Joe mentioned. They party together. They support each other. They even live on the same house together. Rowena, welcome to the family. We always love you. We always love Charlene. And my wish for you guys is to have another, maybe 2 more babies. I know that Chet's tying the marital knot will not only strengthen their relationship and care for each other, they will love each other for the rest of their lives. Chet, now that you are married to a beautiful lady, Rowena, my only advice to you is this: love each other unconditionally. Always respect each other's opinion and always maintain an open communication line. No pretenses, no lying, always trust each other. A true love is based on trust and confidence in each other. Thank you for inviting us here, and have fun.
Thank you, Uncle.
You're welcome.